An investment in Monell is an investment in society. Understanding all these things will lead us to a healthier world because all of our existence of each individual and every animal and the world we occupy, the space we occupy, are all linked together. People probably don't realize how interconnected we are with the planet and the other animals and species that exist on this planet. This is known as One Health. The premise is that if one part of the system is ailing, then the entire system is doomed to failure. Monell has embraced this idea of One Health, and it's kind of rooted in its history in that animal research has not been conducted at Monell simply as a model for human research, but a genuine interest in the health and well-being of animals. And that's important. It's important that all the species that inhabit this planet are not threatened. We see these threats all the time. Avian influenza is a classic example right now of how disease in one species can drastically impact the health of many, many other species. One of my current studies at Monell is looking for biomarkers of brain injury or concussion. And we had some idea of some potential biomarkers that would arise from the injury. But we recently had the opportunity to collect urine samples from young athletes who had suffered concussions. And we confirmed that the class of compounds that we we're witnessing in our animal models are also being affected in these young people as a result of head injury. And so I believe that maybe one day when people look back on discoveries from my lab, that might be the one that is most immediately impacting health here in the United States. Who knows what a young scientist working at Monell on some subject may learn that they will take to their next position and make some tremendous discovery that's not really related, but the techniques were related. The second area in which basic science impacts the average person really has to do with those building blocks of creating that foundation for what the next group of scientists, the next generation of scientists, what they can take from that and build upon and lead to an outcome that we can't even imagine right now. My hope is that my work will make the world a healthier place. I am hopeful that what I study here will eventually find its way into everybody's home, and that they will be able to feel good about their own personal health. They might be able to diagnose themselves based on some of the technology we are trying to create. The benefit to investing now at Monell is for the future. Monell does research with human health in mind. You may not see benefits next month or next year, but your children may, or your grandchildren certainly will. An investment in Monell is an investment in society.